Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Security Breach shirt is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of apparel for fans of the popular horror game, offering a unique way to showcase your passion for the terrifying world of Freddy Fazbear's mega PizzaPlex and its enigmatic characters. Whether you're a longtime admirer of the Five Nights at Freddy's franchise or a newcomer drawn in by the latest installment's chilling narrative and distinctive art style, this shirt serves as a wearable testament to your enthusiasm, making it a fantastic addition to any gamer's wardrobe or a perfect gift for a fellow enthusiast. Number 5. Rothco Two-Sided Security T-Shirt. Introducing the Rothco Two-Sided Security T-Shirt. Designed for professionals, this shirt offers comfort and a clear statement of authority. This short-sleeve crew neck shirt is perfect for uniform wear. It provides a neat and professional appearance for any security role. Crafted for comfort, it's made from breathable material suitable for long shifts. Its durable construction ensures it holds up to daily wear and tear. Featuring a distinct two-sided security design, it clearly communicates your role. This makes it an essential piece for security personnel. Whether you're on patrol or managing a venue, this T-shirt is a practical choice. It combines functionality with a professional look. What we like. This shirt offers a professional, two-sided design for a complete look. If you need a uniform that is both functional and stylish, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to project a serious image while staying comfortable. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really stand out. The fit is true to size, making it easy to order the correct size without any guesswork. Number 4. Funko Pop. Five Nights at Freddy's Glamrock Freddy. Introducing the Glamrock Freddy Funko Pop. This collectible is made from high-quality, durable vinyl. It's built to last and provide long-lasting enjoyment. Looking for the ideal gift for a Five Nights at Freddy's fan? This exclusive figurine is a must-have addition to any merchandise collection. It's perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. Ready to grow your collection? Add this unique vinyl display piece to your assortment of Funko Pop figures. Seek out other rare and exclusive items to complete your set. Trust in Funko, the premier creator of pop culture merchandise. They offer a wide range of products including vinyl figures, action figures, plush, apparel, and board games. Crafted from 100% cotton and premium vinyl material, this collectible is designed for durability. It's made to withstand daily wear, ensuring it remains a cherished item for years to come. What we like. This collectible is made from premium, durable vinyl that's built to last. If you're a fan looking to expand your collection or find the perfect gift for a FNAF enthusiast, this is a must-have. It's ideal for displaying your love for the game. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really make the design pop. It fits true to size and has a flattering cut that looks good on everyone. Number 3. Funko Five Nights at Freddy's Montgomery Gator action figure. Get ready to meet the electrifying Montgomery Gator. This iconic character from Five Nights at Freddy's is here to join your collection. Crafted from premium, durable vinyl, this collectible is designed for long-lasting enjoyment. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Searching for the ultimate gift for a Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Simulator fan? This exclusive figurine is a must-have for any collection. Looking to grow your assortment of Funko Pop figures? Add this unique display piece to your collection and seek out other rare items. Trust in Funko, the premier creator of pop culture merchandise. They bring you the best in vinyl figures, action figures, and more. This is an officially licensed piece of merchandise from Funko. It's perfect for boys, girls, kids, and adults who love the FNAF universe. What we like. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this piece is designed for lasting enjoyment and display. If you are seeking a unique item to add to your assortment or a special present for a FNAF Pizza Simulator fan, consider this. It's perfect for collectors who appreciate detailed merchandise. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really pop. The fit is true to size, making it easy to find the perfect size without any guesswork. Number 2. NYC Factory Security T-shirt. Introducing the NYC Factory Security T-shirt, designed for both style and visibility. This tee offers a comfortable fit for everyday wear. Featuring a bold front and back print, this shirt makes a statement. It's perfect for those who want to stand out. Specifically crafted for men, this T-shirt provides a classic and flattering silhouette. Enjoy a great fit with this essential piece. Available in a stylish shade of blue, it adds a touch of color to your wardrobe. The fabric is soft and breathable for all-day comfort. This tee combines durability with a modern aesthetic. It's a versatile addition that can be dressed up or down. What we like. This tee features a bold front and back print for a standout casual look. If you're looking for an affordable way to show off your style, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for everyday wear and for fans who want a simple yet eye-catching design. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable to wear all day. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really pop. The fit is true to size, and the shirt holds its shape well after washing. Number 1. Funko Five Nights at Freddy's PizzaPlex Roxanne Wolf action figure. Get ready to bring home the thrilling world of Five Nights at Freddy's with this iconic action figure. It's a must-have for any true fan. Crafted from high-quality, durable vinyl, this collectible is designed for lasting enjoyment. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Searching for the ultimate gift for a FNAF pizza simulator enthusiast? This exclusive figurine is the perfect choice for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. Enhance your existing collection with this unique display piece. It's an ideal addition to your Funko Pop figures and other rare collectibles. Trust in Funko, the leading creator of pop culture merchandise. We bring you the best in vinyl figures, action figures, and more. This is an officially licensed piece of merchandise, ensuring authenticity and quality for collectors and fans alike. What we like. Made with high-quality vinyl, this collectible ensures durability and long-lasting appeal. If you're a fan of FNAF Pizza Simulator and want to add a special piece to your display or give a memorable gift, this is the one. It's perfect for anyone who loves unique character merchandise. What people say. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded after multiple washes. The fabric is soft and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The design accurately represents the characters from the game, making it a great choice for fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.